Right here I have all the products that are new that I need to put away. For the most part, I have my lashes over here, none of them are new. See, what I usually do is I have these pink boxes, and I usually keep all my new products in that I still need to try out or just like get a feel for before I put them away in the cabinet. So basically, but it's kind of been overflowing, like not all of this is actually new, it's just kind of gathered up. All this is new, need to try out, so I'm gonna sort through all this, put away what needs to be put away in the cabinet. Oh yeah, I have this stuff over here too. What else? I have products over here from a look I did this week. These are the products I use. Need to put those away. All these need to be put away. And then in my cabinets, pretty much I'm just going to take everything out, resort it, go through every little thing, reorganize it, get rid of what I don't want anymore, donate, whatever. Obviously wipe down all the shelvings and just reorganize and freshen it up. I haven't gone through any of this makeup that detailed since I got this room together. I've gathered up quite a bit more since, and it's just kind of time to do some spring cleaningness. I almost forgot, I have a couple new packages to open up, and obviously I have to put these away. So this one is from Patchology. I'm actually about to do an Instagram stories takeover for them. Okay, Profusion sent a necklace. That's really cute. And here's like a face and little eyeshadow palette. I like how their palettes kind of combine, so they're really convenient. Nice. These, and I have one of these already. It might be a different color. I don't know, but so I'll definitely keep one to give away at least. And a highlight and contour. Ooh. And then in this box, I keep giveaway stuff pretty much. I think I'm just gonna sort this all out now, and then I'll go to the cabinets. Gonna have a lot of stuff to give away this time to get rid of, but this is a lot of stuff, so I'm sure my sisters, oh geez, and my mom are gonna be very happy. I'm excited to give them some stuff and share the love. So much stuff.